On this video, I'm going to walk you through the wizard when you're first setting up your SMS Conversations account. First thing you're going to notice when you log in is you're going to have this Get Started window, because we're going to walk you through step by step getting your entire account set up. So all we got to do is click Get Started. First thing you're going to notice here is step one, we've got our spam policy. You'll need to scroll down to the bottom, and of course you're going to want to read this and agree to this, that you're only going to use what is called an opt-in list, meaning you're not going to buy a list off of the internet or from some provider and start texting that list or start sly voicemailing that list. It is a strict opt-in only policy. And of course, we've got all kinds of strategies on how you can get people to opt in. That's the easy part. What we don't want to have happen, and no one wants this to have happen, is to have our cell phones turn into, well, our email inbox. Well, all there is spam all over the place. And so because of that, we need you to adhere to an opt-in standard. As we say down here at the bottom, when in doubt, don't send it out. I agree that I will use only verified opt-ins. Step number two is we've got to set up our usage account. Now you might be wondering, what's the difference between the fee I paid to use the platform and the usage account? Well, the way that we're able to keep SMS Conversations as affordable as it is we don't do what everyone else does. Everyone else charges a higher monthly fee, and they give you so many credits, basically how many text messages and sly voicemails that you can send out on a monthly basis. We decided that's actually not really cool for our clients, because what happens is if you don't use all those credits that you paid for 1 month, well, when the month is over, you've lost them. So by separating the two out, having a platform fee and having a usage fee, we're able to keep both of those affordable. The platform fee allows you to use the platform, allows you to store everything here. The usage account is going to give you credits, and those credits never expire. So if you fill up your account with a bunch of credits and 1 month you don't do very many texts or sly voicemails, and the next month you do a ton, you still have all those credits. And when those credits get low, basically to around $10 worth, we replenish your account. And so this is where you're going to set that up. You're going to put in your credit card number right here, put in your month, year, the 3-digit code there on the back of your card, and then you're going to decide just how many credits you want to set up your account to automatically replenish. So do you want to start it off with $25 in credits, $50 in credits, $75 in credits? Now under step 3, you just need to pick the area code that you want for your phone number. So I'm going to go ahead and put in 714 because that's my local area code. And it's going to come back with the phone numbers that I have available. And as I can see right here, these cost 100 credits a month. So every month it's going to take out of my credit account 100 credits. So once you find a phone number that you really like I like this 4270, I think that's a good number, you just click on the buy button. Now we're going to start testing out the system. So I'm going to put in my cell phone number right here and hit continue. And then it's saying, okay, let's go ahead and put in a sample message just so we can see that it actually shows up there on our phone. So when I click send it, it just came through on my phone right there. Now we're in the pre-filled message section. So your account comes with some messages that we've already written for you that we know work. And we just want you to see how that feature works. So go ahead and select one of the messages and click send it. So now what we're going to do is we're going to set up a voicemail, just because we want to get this phone number that we just bought set up and ready to use. So that 4270 number, that's going to be the one that we're going to set up the voicemail for. So if someone were to call that number, it's going to automatically play this message that we're going to record right now. So when you're ready, we've got a script right here that you can use, and all you got to do is hit ready to record. Once you do that, your cell phone is going to ring from the system. So I see right now my phone number, that 4270 number, is calling me.
Record your message after the beep. When you are done recording your message, press star.
Yes, hello. Thank you for calling Pete Mitchell at SMS Conversations. I'm not available at the moment, but would you be so kind as to leave me a message along with the best number to return your call with, and I'll get back with you as soon as I can. Thank you.
Your message has been saved.
And that's all we got to do right there. And now my voicemail is set. So I'm going to say finish. Take me to the next step, please. Oh, and now we get to test out the Sly voicemail feature. This is where we get to send a voicemail directly to someone's cell phone without their phone ringing. Now, a couple of things that you need to know. This is really important when it comes to Sly voicemail. Number one, not all cell phones will accept Sly voicemails. I've noticed in the past that we do have trouble with AT&T. We used to have trouble with Singular, though they're getting better. We've never had problems with Verizon and Sprint, but it doesn't mean that they couldn't start. The other thing that you need to know is that it can take up to 15 minutes for that Sly voicemail to get through to your phone. It is not an immediate thing like a text message. So what we're going to do is we're going to record our sample Sly voicemail right now. So I hit that ready to record, and of course, my phone is ringing again.
Record your message after the beep. When you are done recording your message, press star.
Yeah, hello, it's Pete Mitchell from SMS Conversations. Can you please give me a call back or text me as to when I can call you? I've got some important information for you, and I want to get this to you right away. Thanks so much. Cheers.
Your message has been saved.
And like that, we're sending ourselves a Sly voicemail. And again, it can take anywhere from 5 to 15 minutes. So now we're going to hit finish. Take me to the next step, please. So now our system has automatically sent your cell phone number with a text message that has a link to both the Apple app for SMS Conversations as well as the Android app for SMS Conversations. Click the link that is best for your phone. Are you running an Android phone? Are you running an iPhone? Once you click that link, it's going to have you add it to your account, to your phone right there, I should say. And then what you'll want to do is literally just log in like you did right here in the system. Same username, same password. And once you've gone through this thing the whole way, you're going to log in and you're going to see your screen. It's going to look very similar to this. So one of the things that we can see right here is, here's those messages that we just texted to ourselves. Hello, Pete, just testing the wizard. Group 2, message 2. Right there, we know that it's working. You, of course, can send another message out if you want, just to send it to your cell phone. Make sure everything's working. If someone were to text back into the system, like I'm going to do that right now, you can see right here, we've got that message that just came in. This is now yellow up here at the top, which means I have an unread message, which of course, because I'm in the conversation pane, I can see it right there. But that's also how you'll know if you have unread messages. The conversations will be all black and white like this is right here. Anytime you have unread messages, it's always going to be at the top of your conversations tab right here. And you just literally click the little spyglass and it's going to open up this page right here so you can see the conversation and you can continue it right there with the person. So this is just a quick little tutorial to get you up and running right away with SMS Conversations.